Here's a recipe for a delicious and simple dish of sauteed squid head that goes well with both rice and drinks. Bring a pot of water to a boil and blanch the squid head for about 1 minute. Remove and drain. Cut the squid head into small pieces. Heat up some cooking oil in a wok and stir-fry diced ginger, garlic, and small chili peppers until fragrant. Add the cut squid head into the wok and stir-fry for a minute. Add the Classic Szechuan braised seasoning and stir-fry until the squid is evenly coated and flavored. Lastly, sprinkle some roasted sesame seeds and stir-fry for a few seconds. Dish up and to serve. This dish features tender, juicy, and crispy squid head with rich and savory flavors. It's a nutritious and delicious dish that is perfect for any occasion to enjoy it.
Jack and King's, a taste of China anytime, anywhere.